want make with the freaking things. And I say no, these are linking pains. Day by day, when they get insane. I ain't your best, but just simping. Why? Look on me best, but see me, I don't dare. Monkey, I don't care. The worst part, you don't care.
You're supposed to be ready for your exam. Why you guys disorganized? Please, for your information, this exam is 100%. It's a combination of your assignment, your CA, and the exam itself. Nobody should come to my office and see me. I will not answer questions from anybody. I will give you exactly what your score is. Are you getting me? I'm giving you guys just 15 minutes.
I got a heart, but fuck it, I'm paid. Look, they be the body, be fresh out the cage. I'm still the same. The minimum wage, they trying to keep up, so they stalking my page. They do what I say.
I just want to chill.
Sounds. No go read that book. Tomorrow na exam. Tomorrow na exam.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Only had the sugar in my tea. It's your father didn't eat.
That bad guy.
Because I got my eyes on you.
Nice one.
I found idea with this. Are you in my department? Yes. Because if you depart, I feel mad.
Ever since that time, I really loved you. I have feelings for you. Like, I love you for real.
Women.
Seriously, I'm sound.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh shit, not good.
This boy will come class. This one will day here now. He don't paper the right exam. This boy here, he don't use the phone. And this girl. What?
Okay, thank you very much.
You gonna die.
Out of me and you. What go take now? Get body for surplus.